Greetings, how are you guys? This is the part 2 video of Primavera P6 Professional R8.3. So first let me revise what we have learned in part 1 video. We learned that what is Primavera, purpose of Primavera, and how to add organizational breakdown structure or organization breakdown structure OBS. In this part 2 video we will learn what is enterprise project structure EPS, how to make enterprise project structure, and how to add new project. So first of all, what is EPS? Enterprise project structure means organization or company name. In other words, company name like Engineers Private Limited, or Perfect Construction and Management Services, or Citizen Foundation. This is just assumptions, and I just gave you examples. And enterprise simply means, EPS simply means company name, organization name. So how to make EPS in Primavera? Let me show you. Alright, this is the Primavera interface. So your first step is click on enterprise, click on enterprise project structure. Here I already added 2 EPS for a previous projects. Select EPS like this. You can see the red box, it is already selected. Then click on add, right? Then here write EPS ID, your company ID, organization ID. For example, your company name is, for example, Perfect Engineering Services, PES. So your company or EPS ID will be PES. Then write EPS name Perfect Engineering Services, PES. Then, as I told you in part 1 video, that how to add OBS and what is OBS, which means a responsible manager or person. So in a previous video, if you remember, I added Kennedy. It's just assumption, it's just for example Kennedy, which I selected as a responsible manager, and click on add or add select. Then click on close. So your EPS has been created here, Perfect Engineering. Let me show you the complete name, Perfect Engineering Services, and this is the EPS ID PES. And please ignore these two. I previously created this EPS and project file for my previous work. So this is our new EPS, enterprise name and ID. Okay, then our next step is how to add new project. So before adding new project, let me tell you the important points about adding new project. And the points are: if project head directs project manager to complete the certain task or project in 70 days. Let's assume that our project head gave us a task to complete the project in 70 days. Then in addition, and he only gave project start date, for example from 1st of October 2020, our new project will be started. Therefore, start your count from 1st of October 2020 and exclude holidays. For example, Saturday and Sunday is off, so we will exclude holidays, and we will count from 1st of October 2020, and we will count 70 days. So counting 70 days, project finish date will be 6th of January 2021. However, we excluded holidays, Saturdays and Sundays, so from 1st of October 2020 to 6th of January 2021, start counting holidays. So total 28 holidays will take place between 1st of October 2020 to 6th of January 2021. Then add these 28 days at the end. Therefore, your project finish date will be 3rd of February 2021. So I hope you got my point. So now let me show you how to add new project. Okay, we already added EPS. You can see Perfect Engineering Services. Now let me show you how to add new project. Click on File, click on New, then select EPS, which we created a few minutes ago. Perfect Engineering Services, select EPS, click on Select or Add icon, click Next. Now your new project ID and name. As I am an electrical engineer, so I will talk about electrical work, and let's assume that our new project is electrical wiring in a building or in a house. So I will write project ID like this. It's an electrical wiring project, so elect W-1. This is the ID, electrical wiring 1, and here I will write complete project name, electrical wiring 1. Then click on Next. Now this is the important stage, project start and end dates. So project planned start. So as I told you, our project had just gave us the start date, that from 1st of October 2020 our project will be started. So select, this is today is 30th, so from 1st of October 2020 this is our project start date. Now also our project had directed all of us that project will be completed in 70 days, so must finish by, click here, okay, project start date, and now we will count 70 days. But remember, we will exclude holidays, and holidays are Saturdays and Sundays. So start counting 6, 7, 8, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and counting this excluding Saturday and Sundays. So as per our calculation, the project finish date will be 6th of January 2021, excluding holidays. Now there are 28 holidays will take place between 1st of October 2020 to 6th of January 2021. So 28 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including holidays. I'm also including holidays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and adding 28 days, our project finish date will be 3rd of Feb 2021. Then click on select. So our project start date is 1st of October 2020 and finish date 3rd of Feb 2021. Click on next. Kennedy is the responsible person, OBS. Click on next. And you will learn this in my later videos when we do resource planning for our project. Then click on next and finish. Now let me show you the project file. So this is EPS, company name Perfect Engineering Services, EPS ID PES, and this is our project file and project ID elect W-1 electrical wiring 1. So in this video you learn that how to add or how to make EPS and how to add new project, and you will learn more in this Primavera, and keep watching. Okay, thank you.